a demonstration to show how monkey pads can be used to remove an etch mark or loss of shine on marble. It's used on marble, limestone, and travertine. Very simple to do. Use the upper numbers 800, 1500, 3000, 8000, 11,000 to repolish. The lower numbers 400, 200, and 100 that is newly made is for removing light scratches. So you must use lots of water. Follow the steps the way they are. Very simple. Use a variable speed grinder with a proper backing plate and a pad. So I put on the 800, which is the red. You go over it 6 times. The area that is marked is right here, so we'll just do the area until the final passes. After the 6 passes, you must make sure it is completely rinsed. So you need to rinse it off, squeegee it off, being it's a counter or a surface. Make sure it's completely rinsed. Wipe it down, make sure we have it all rinsed off very well, and then we rinse it again, so there's no cross-contamination. Now we continue on with the purple pad. Take your 800 off, put your purple pad on, which is the 1500. Give it another spray, lots of water, and again, 6 passes. This is blue, the 3000, do the same, give it another spray, lots of moisture, lots of water, 6 passes. On to the 11,000, or sorry, the 8,000, which is yellow. 6 passes, but we want to start to blend it a little bit. This is 6 pass to a quick run. Finally, onto your green pad, which is the 11,000. Running it wet again. You don't need as much water. 6 passes, a little bit of blending. Okay, the etch mark is completely removed, but you can see there might be a little bit of dulling still left on there. If that does happen, you can go back with a dry 11,000 pad, if you have a second one, and just buff it up quickly.
Filming.
Okay, we have the dry pad on. Okay. What it did was brought up a higher shine, making it more crystal clear, and your etch mark removal is completed. It is fixed.